2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited. Trace the roots of the all-new 2018 Wrangler and they will lead all the way back to the original WWII-era Willys MB. The authentic Jeep brand DNA, with its rich history and genuine 4x4 off-road capability, courses through the all-new Wrangler, while it instinctively forges a new path to adventure and pure, open-air freedom. Come join the fun. Additional or replacing features on Sport RHD 6 SPD Man W/odd transmission 18 inches polished W/painted accents aluminum wheels SiriusXM AM/FM/satellite seek scan radio. Additional or replacing features on Sport 5 SPD W/odd transmission first row removable manual targa composite sunroof keyfob, all doors, remote keyless entry heated mirrors. Features 3.6L V6 engine 6 SPD Man W/odd transmission 285 at 6,400 rpm horsepower 260 at 4,800 rpm torque 4-wheel drive type abstraction control 16 inches silver styled steel wheels. Front air conditioning, manual AM/FM stereo, seek scan radio first row LCD monitor front fog/driving lights manual convertible top cloth seat trim. Anti-lock brakes ABS brakes automatically sense when a tire has stopped rotating under extreme braking and will modulate the brake pressure to allow the tire to rotate. This increases the vehicle's ability to turn while braking. Stability control automatically senses when the vehicle's handling limits have been exceeded and reduces engine power and/or applies select brakes to help prevent the driver from losing control of the vehicle. Front impact airbags for the driver and passenger have been designed to protect the head during a frontal crash. Pretensioners seatbelt pretensioners automatically tightened seatbelts to place the occupant in the optimal seating position during a collision. Security system. The vehicle is equipped with an ignition disable device that will prevent the engine from starting if the correct original manufacturer key is not used.